First of all, log into your cPanel and find the file manager. Just click on the file manager and find public HTML. Just click on the public HTML and next WP content. Now here you have to change the name of plugins, rename the plugins with any name you want to name it. I have just placed X with plugins. So go back and log into your website. Here you have to go at plugins and install plugins. Now you can see that after doing that all the plugins have been removed because we have changed the name. Just go back and change its name again. Now renew the plugin X with the original name, that is plugins. Now you have to go back to your website dashboard. Just refresh this and you can see that all the plugins have been appeared and the fatal error has been removed. Now I will visit my website and you can see that everything is fine.